I give 100% when they came. I ain't pretending to be what I ain't. And I ain't needing for nothing, boy, I'm straight. Let me tell you now. She's different around here. I hope I made it clear. Flash it only. Some girls fuck for fame and fortune. But some see the bag and be quick to dash. But I'm not pressed.
What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. You already know that we're about to talk about this bomb banging unit that I have on my head right now. If you're new, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. Give me a thumbs up if you end up enjoying the video. So let me go ahead and get started. First of all, I found this on Amazon from a company called Star Show, and this particular wig that I have on my head was $49.99. Now, this one is the 10-inch in the color natural. They have an 8-inch, the 10-inch, $49.99, 12-inch, and 14-inch. Different prices depending on the color and the length that you get. And this is the wig, okay? It's not technically straight out of the packaging. I did wash it, so it does look a little bit frayed because I did attempt to bleach the knots last night, but I didn't have a lot of bleach, so the knot bleaching process just did not go smoothly. This is the construction, all right? So we have a little bit of lace back here in the nape area. We have all this lace to play with in the front. So it's gonna be a lot of free parting going on. We do have a comb in the nape area, some adjustable straps as well. And we also have 3 combs in the front, okay? One on each temple and then one for the middle. So all total 5 combs. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the color of the lace. It is giving me like a brownish color. Not too bad at all. I may do a little bit of tinting with some powder. Not sure yet what we're gonna do. Let me slap it on my head and show you what the hairline looks like straight out of the packaging. Alright, so this is what the hairline looks like straight out of the packaging. It's not too bad. A little bit of tweezing would get her just right. So I'm going to go ahead and tweeze her, and then I'll come back, put her on my head, style her, get her all together, and let you know what I think about her and if she is worth the moolah. So let's go.
You know I like to keep you waiting on me, waiting on me. I'm alone, but I ain't never lonely, never lonely. Be with the greatest of the shit you told me, shit you told me. Cause everything that glitters isn't golden, isn't golden. Wanna ride or die to go through the miles with you. But if you're guilty, I won't go through the trial with you. See, I want that love, but what's the point if it bring out the words and make me make bad decisions? I gotta watch my back, I gotta move things fast. Yeah, she say she sound good, but traffic is always a catch. Picture perfect, I don't need no filter. What you see, I'm the same way when I'm with you. Boy, you gotta be real with your ambitions. Boy, you gotta be as good as your intentions. I've been here before and trust me, I'm a witness. Gotta say what you feel, be real about how you feel it. Boy, you gotta be real with your ambitions. Boy, you gotta be as good as your intentions. Boy, I hope your ass ain't sitting night, tryna pull up there real quick night.
First of all, let me show you guys the back. You saw me do a little bit of styling with her, so I do love that you have the option to do a little free parting, being able to part her anywhere. You can pull her up, put her in a ponytail. You did see me initially have her on the side, and I was like, you know what, let me put her in the middle. It's been a while since I had a middle part, so this is what we're working with right now. I think the lace looks really good, you guys. The lace looks amazing. It blends to my skin seamlessly, and I actually have my real edges out right here and right here, and I think that it kind of just blends all together. Like, what do you think? I think it's a good, pretty decent blend. Now, initially I wasn't planning on having my real edges out, but we're gonna move into a con real quick. The lace did not cover enough of my actual hairline. My real edges are sleeked down really good. Let me pluck it. So once you pluck it, it gives it more of a natural look. And then once you actually lay it down really nice and flat, either with some lace glue or got to be like I did, it gives it even more of a natural look. So I think doing that process with my edges actually out, you can't tell it's my edges out. It just looks like it's all one. You see what I'm saying? As far as the density and the volume goes, I think she's pretty decent for my bobs, especially when it's kind of blunt. I don't like it to be too thick because it starts looking like Dora the Explorer-y, like just like kind of blunt. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. The only thing is I wish that the front had a little bit more here on the lace right here. I do feel like it gets a little bit thin in the front area on the lace. It's not super bad. It still looks good, but internally I know that it's thin because I can feel it, so it's bothering me, but it doesn't look bad at all, so it's good to go. I did add some powder to the part that I'm using here, only because I wanted to widen up the space a little bit. I ain't got time to be plucking no parts today. Not happening. It is nice, soft, and silky. Not tangly, not shedding. The color said natural, but it's giving me like a 1B and a 2. It's like in between both of them. Very natural. I love that she's human hair, so we do have the option of coloring her, bleaching her, of course. Now, you know she ain't no plop and go, because I done got her nice and laid, okay, honey? She ain't no plop and go. You ain't gonna be taking her off every day after you done did all that work. No. I think she looks really, really good anyway, so yeah, this about to be my new hair, y'all, for the next couple of days. So you're gonna see a lot of pictures, and she is moving. I would say she has a nice flow to her. The luster is really pretty. Like, this unit, not bad. Beginner friendliness, I'm gonna say yes and no. If you're a beginner who is absolutely new to the game and you've never owned a wig, no. You might want something you can throw in a go. However, you do have to learn from somewhere. So if you want to slay your wig, you want to be able to have a hairline, pull your hair back and all that stuff, I'm gonna say yes, definitely try it out. The hairline was not too crazy to pluck, and if you don't want to pluck it, you don't even have to pluck it, okay? You can just cut off the lace, use your got-to-be glue, your lace glue, lay it down, add your powder to whatever parting space you're gonna use, and that is it. But you have to learn from somewhere. I mean, you can't be a beginner forever, honestly. Like, repetitiveness, that will help. Just saying. So that basically wraps up my thoughts about this unit. I am in love with it, you guys. I'm in love with this moving little bob right here. She's a number. But I'll put it in the description box below exactly where I got her from on Amazon, the link, and I'll also put the details on this particular one if you want to get this unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this on up. If you're interested in the contacts, TTDEYE, you already know, you can use my promo code Carrie, save you a little bit of coin. I'm gonna go ahead and go now. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at @MakeupByCarrie_. See you later. Next video. Bye.